How do I find group discussion threads? From the main Canvas course discussion landing page, I'm first going to click on a pre-created discussion thread that's not graded. At the top of the discussion thread, I can click on View Availability and a panel will display from the right side of the screen. Here is where the available from and until fields are visible. I'm going to X out. I may also click on the three dots here and drag my cursor down to the edit pencil icon where I may make further changes if needed. Now I'm going to drag my cursor to this icon with the people heads image. This denotes the group icon. Once I click on the group icon, the groups I had created in the people tool are visible. I can navigate between the groups, in particular the group home pages, to view the group discussion threads. Once I click on one group discussion, I'm taken to that specific group page within the Canvas course. Here is where I can view the responses to discussion threads. I may also respond and I may mark as read or unread if I choose to. To navigate to another group within the Canvas course, I can click on the caret under Select Group. And here I would click on another group. So now I'm on the LTS Group 2 main page within my Canvas course. And once I scroll down here, I may find the other discussion threads specific to Group 2. And again, I would click on the caret under Select Group to navigate back to a different group. The user can navigate back to the main Canvas course by clicking on the breadcrumbs link at the top, very top left of the course, next to the hamburger menu or these three horizontal lines. I'm going to click on LTS Group 1 and then click LTS Canvas Overview Session. I'm now going to navigate down to Discussions, which is my main landing page, and I'm just going to highlight a graded discussion. Within this graded discussion, the view availability still appears at the top left side of the discussion. Once I click, this availability panel will display from the right side of the screen. Going to exit out. The three dots are also still visible, and I may navigate down to the edit pencil icon to make more changes. However, one thing to note here, because this is a graded discussion, the Assign To icon is visible at the top right side of the screen. So once I click Assign To, this other panel displays from the right side of the screen, and I may make changes to my due date, available from, or until fields here as well. I'm going to exit out and now navigate back to the group icon at the top left side of the discussion. And here is where I may navigate from Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and so forth. And now I can navigate back to Group 2 by selecting my group by clicking on the caret icon. To navigate back to my main discussion landing page within the entirety of the Canvas course, I'm going to click the breadcrumbs at the top left side of the screen and navigate back to my main course. If you have any questions at all regarding navigating between group discussion threads, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu.